From kitchen knives to pocket knives, the Precision Adjust family of products makes it easy to create razor sharp edges. But with 4 products to choose from and upgrade kits and accessories available, it can be a little confusing to figure out which sharpener is right for you. In this video, I'm going to go over each one so you can get an understanding of their capabilities, price points, so that you can determine which sharpener is best for your needs. We'll also have this video broken out into chapters, so if you're looking to learn about one in particular, check it out down below. With that said, let's dive in. Sharpening doesn't have to be complicated, and the Precision Adjust line of sharpeners makes creating razor sharp edges easier than ever. With this rod and clamp style approach, all the guesswork gets taken out of how to sharpen the knife and leaves you able to concentrate on creating razor sharp edges. It all started with the original Precision Adjust. This rod and clamp sharpener really made a splash when it hit the market, with the ability to do 15 to 30 degrees and a tri-abrasive rod that included a 320, 600, and ceramic. It really was a complete kit to take a knife from dull to sharp. But we quickly learned that the community wanted more. They wanted more abrasives and they wanted a way to carry this sharpener. That's where the idea for the Precision Adjust Elite kit came along. Let's talk about that and show you what the difference is between this one and the Elite. The Precision Adjust Elite expands the original Precision Adjust by introducing new abrasives. We've given you a full suite of abrasives in this kit from 220 to 320 to 400, 600, 800, ceramic, and a leather strop. All that fits onto 2 tri-abrasive rods and then a rod for the leather strop, and it also includes a ceramic for doing serrations. It really expanded on the amount of knives you could sharpen with this kit and provided some of the edge refinement that people demanded on their favorite knives. So which Precision Adjust is right for you? The original is great for beginners. That rod and clamp system takes all the guesswork out, so all you have to do is worry about sharpening. The 320, 600, and ceramic create a great edge. Will take any knife from dull to razor sharp. Where the Elite kit really sets itself apart is those extra abrasives. You get some more refinement on the edge, and that leather strop really puts a polish on that edge that people were asking for. And you've got the kit for it all to go inside of. If you're having a hard time deciding which Precision Adjust is right for you, not to worry. The Precision Adjust has an upgrade kit available for it. So you can start with it and then eventually add the upgrade kit, which includes all the abrasives that come in the Elite bundle. You can start with the original, upgrade to the Elite, or buy it all at once. It's really up to you. As good as the Precision Adjust and Precision Adjust Elite sharpeners are, they did have some limitations. Those smaller abrasives made it a chore to sharpen larger knives like kitchen knives, and a more rigid chassis was asked for. That's where the professional Precision Adjust comes in. The rigid metal chassis removes any flex from the sharpening process, and it has a full suite of larger abrasives 1x6 from 220, 320, 400, 600, 800, a ceramic hone, and a leather strop could create those edges that people were used to creating on the Precision Adjust Elite, but now in a larger package. We also gave you more precision. With the digital angle indicator, you're able to dial in your angle within a 1/4 degree. We gave you a small knife table for those smaller pen knives that were hard to sharpen, and we included a large knife support, really taking it to the next level to be able to sharpen a full assortment of knives that you may have in your collection. But as good as this sharpening system is, you guys still wanted more. That's where the professional Precision Adjust Elite comes in, including a carry case and an expanded suite of abrasives. You can take your abrasive set from the ceramic hone. We've also included a 1200, a 2000, a 3000 grit, resin bonded stones, and a raw leather strop, giving you full control of creating insane, mirror polished, razor sharp edges. The professional Precision Adjust is for someone that demands more for their knives and has a wide variety of knives they want to sharpen. From kitchen knives to small pen knives to EDC knives, the Pro PA can handle it all. If you're someone that doesn't want just sharp knives but wants mirror polished edges on their knives, that's when you'd step up to the Elite kit. Also, if you want the convenience of a carry case, it's included in that kit. However, if you're not sure where to start, just like the original Precision Adjust, you can upgrade. Start with the professional Precision Adjust and then add the upgrade kit later to get you to that Elite level. You can even do it in pieces. Start with the case, get yourself the abrasive rod handle. However you want to build the kit out for you is how this kit was made. That's the Precision Adjust family. Whether you want the original or the professional Precision Adjust Elite, there is a sharpener for your needs and for your budget. And that's the best part of the Precision Adjust family. You can really dive in at any place you want and build the kit to your needs. If you've got questions about our sharpeners or want a deeper dive into any one of these sharpeners, there's other videos for that that'll be linked up here. If you've got questions and you want to talk to somebody, you can head to our website, www.worksharptools.com, and hit our live chat feature or send a message to our customer service team. We're happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, guys.